Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
The new governing board of the Niger Delta Development Commission (NDDC) comprises highly rated professionals who prior to their appointment had created a niche for themselves in their chosen career paths. Up next is a profile of Mr. Charles Ogunmola, Executive Director in charge of projects of the NDDC.
Mr. Charles Ogunmola was in December 2022 appointed Executive Director in charge of projects at the Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC. With his appointment, Mr. Ogunmola has the responsibility to design, execute and monitor all NDDC projects at various locations across 9 states comprising the Niger Delta. Needless to say, Mr. Ogunmola is saddled with a very huge responsibility, considering the fact that the quality of service delivered by the NDDC to a large extent depends on the standards of its projects. Many would probably want to know why President Muhammadu Buhari considered Mr. Ogunmola as the right man for the top job. Born on the 26th of April 1964, Mr. Ogunmola hails from Owo town in Owo local government area of Ondo State. He attended Methodist High School Ibadan, where he obtained the General Certificate of Education (GCE) O-Level in 1982 and thereafter proceeded to Ambrose Ali University, Ekpoma, to earn a Bachelor of Arts degree in History in 1987. In fulfillment of his desire for self-development, he enrolled at the Kingston University Business School and obtained a postgraduate certification in Management Studies in 1991. Mr. Ogunmola later secured admission into Middlesex University Business School in the United Kingdom and earned a Master's in Marketing Management and Strategy in 1995. A finance and information and communication technology expert with many years of experience in the corporate world, Mr. Ogunmola has a strong track record in implementing core banking systems and anti-money laundering. With his background, he had served in several managerial and executive management capacities in leading Nigerian banks and globally renowned telecoms outfits abroad. While in the United Kingdom, the Owo-born technocrat spent many years studying project management. Today, he is a UK-trained project management professional with core competencies in the following areas of project management: methodology and techniques, Gantt charts and critical paths, devising variables, baselines and timelines, cost and resource planning and control, end-to-end project coordination and management, as well as project governance techniques and frameworks. Mr. Charles Ogunmola, the first indigene of Ondo State to have been appointed an executive director in the NDDC since its inception in 2000, had explored the corporate world for many years before setting up his own business, Red Tech Limited, a fully integrated ICT consultancy firm. Mr. Ogunmola brings his wealth of experience in the private sector to bear in public service. As evident in his track record characterized by professionalism and high moral standards, he is a fit and proper candidate for the exalted position he occupies in the NDDC. Moreover, Mr. Ogunmola's solid background in project management remains an asset that can easily be deployed to retool the project management culture of the NDDC for improved service delivery. Ultimately, oil-producing communities in whose interest the NDDC was established as an interventionist agency will become the highest beneficiary of Mr. President's choice of Charles Ogunmola to function as Executive Director in charge of projects at the NDDC.
Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.
Inside the Niger Delta,